traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro-US dollar, I still think this is very, very clearly going up. I think this over here is a wave A. This is an A, B, C, or B. I think we're in a wave C right now, which is why I think it needs to go up and take out these previous highs right here, probably at least up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at this right here as like a wave 1 subdivision. I think this is a WXY wave 2. I think this is all subdivisions of this wave 3, and I think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these high time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we really don't have a Fibonacci level anywhere in sight. We most recently did break a high right here, and we are approaching these highs back here, which I think is going to be an area of support. But for now, unless it goes down and breaks this structure right here, I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. I still think the trend could very easily continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last wave up right here. If price does go down and break this low right here, then that's going to prove that this whole trend from here to here is over. I still think that the trend would continue up later on. I just think that at that point it would be a crescent to the whole move instead of being a crescent to just the last wave of the move. As of right now, I'm definitely looking at all pullbacks as nothing more than crescents to just the last wave of the trend. So I'm definitely looking at these Fibonacci levels very, very closely for 3 waves down and pulse them up for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, probably is going to give us a decent pullback. It looks like it did make a wave A. It does look like a little wave B right here. I would expect this to probably go down at least minimum to one of these lower Fibonacci levels for a wave C, maybe to 50%. If it does go down, 1, 2, 3 waves down, ABC down to a Fibonacci level, and then make a nice engulfing move to the upside, I don't really care what level it does it at, then that is definitely going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I am doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend unless price goes way down here and breaks this low. I am definitely doing nothing at all except for looking for longs in this big wave 3. Wave 3s are the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, which is why in situations like this, the trend definitely needs to be your friend. You should pretty much only be looking for longs right now. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.